In this video I'm going to show you how to set up notification summary on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and select notifications right here and tap on scheduled summary. Here you need to switch that button to that condition and then tap continue. And then we need to group our applications. Let it be messengers and social media applications. I will select that, WhatsApp of course, Messenger and messages here, and then tap on add 8 apps button, and here I may select in which time I need to get notification delivery of all the notifications for this group of applications. For example, by default we see the 8 hours and the 18 hours, so twice a day you will get notifications from this group of applications. I can add here anytime I want. I can change that time like that. And now I can turn on notification summary, and here I see all the information about the applications and about the schedule of delivering notifications. And in any time I can go here and I can adjust it as I want. So I can add here some applications or remove some applications too. You can customize it as I want, and I hope this information was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.